In the dynamic world of business, requirements are in a constant state of evolution. Challenges persist indefinitely, but there are strategies to introduce new ideas and technology without making any compromises. Implementing these strategies and technologies can often be a challenging task. But the team at Soluzione can make it happen for you in budget and on time. We at Soluzione believe that quality, security, and privacy is of prime importance.
At Soluzione, we provide the right blend of business understanding and technology. Our processes focus on understanding customers' vision and then developing the right solution with latest technologies implementing industry best practices.
Soluzione has been a Microsoft Gold partner for over a decade. We have a team which has deep understanding and expertise in the evolution of Microsoft business applications and cloud platforms. We have helped clients across the globe in varied industry verticals to get the best out of technology. The team is focused on making the overall development experience simpler and outcome-oriented.
We are ISO certified, and our team of engineers possess Microsoft certifications that directly align with their areas of expertise.
Based on our customers' requirement, we offer solutions based on Microsoft business applications such as Dynamics 365 or a completely custom-built solution. Our resources are highly skilled and certified in cloud technologies in Microsoft and open source.
For us, good is never good enough. We believe in delivering the absolute solutions for your business.
To deliver work at the highest levels of quality, Soluzione has the required infrastructure complemented by a highly proficient workforce, ready to meet your needs. We have consistently delivered technology solutions in a cost-effective, ingenious, and highly efficient manner. Let Soluzione become your trusted partner in realizing the growth you aspire to achieve.